Pure Stock PSX and stock to staging, please. Pure Stock PSX and stock to staging. Tension in the pits. Pure Stock PSX and stock to staging, please. Basically going to make a launch in a 1-2 shift, and that's about it on this run. Then he's going to come back and attempt to qualify for Outlaw Group later.
You're running out of video yet?